Show. Move over, Julia Child. The outrageous Dom DeLuise is about to invade your kitchen. Plus, Liberace's closest friends remember life with Lee. And the 120-mile-per-hour granny. While her friends play bingo, she's burning rubber on the racetrack. Hollywood, it's the race show. Starring Ralph Shafer.
Welcome back to the show. Well, now this next thing, this is going to be an inspiration to retired people everywhere. I hope my mother and father are watching this. Our next guest did not go to Florida and relax. At age 60, while her friends were spending Friday nights playing bingo, she is screeching around Orlando stock car tracks at over 100 miles an hour. Why does she risk broken bones and possible death? We're going to find out. Say hello to racing granny, Alice Tatroe. Welcome. It's nice to meet you. Racing granny, they told me about this. They said we have a grandmother who races stock cars. I couldn't believe it. Now, how fast? I said over 100 miles an hour. Is that true? You're really going
About 120 on the straight.
120 in this straight. Well, what kind of car do you drive?
I have a Firebird. I have two Firebirds.
You have two Firebirds.
Two Firebirds. And my car builder, Nick Smith, drives the other one. He also keeps our cars in shape.
Now, what made you start racing cars at age 60?
I started to race at age 48.
Oh, at 48.
When everybody else was quitting.
Really? Now, why? What did you know somebody in the racing business, or you just love the cars? Or?
I went to the track a couple of times to look like fun. And I had an old Ford that wouldn't pass Ford inspection. So the boys went to the junkyard, put a roll cage in it, and off I went.
Really? Now, you raced.
Could you find out, did you get tickets when you were just like regular? When you were going to buy cantaloupes and spinach?
No.
Were you getting tickets a lot?
I was so precious that I still am.
So what do you get by going fast? You wild thing, you.
Oh, that's life in the back lane.
Is it thrilling? Does your mind think extra fast when you're going like that?
I love it.
Does the danger occur to you?
No, if it did, you would never be out there. You always believe nothing will ever happen to you.
Really? Well, that's why you're racing and I'm making chicken pies.
In fact, we have a little clip of you racing, I think. Haven't we, Tom? Let's take a look at this. This is a racing granny.
This is disgusting. Harry Brazy about to be beat by a grandma. Harry will never be able to show his face in public again. White flag, where to go? Granny Tatroe. Brazy going to push running inside. Morgan Hoover is slowing down. Here they come out of third, number 4. Last time by. Let's see, Granny going to take it down. She got it. Harry, the champion Arnold make contact. Out of third, Foreman Rick Arnold takes over the second spot. Russell moves up to third. Look out, we've got trouble in turn 1. Granny Tatroe making hard contact with Copley in the 61. Caution flag is out.
Are you serious? This is the winner, raise your hand. The winner,
and that was you spinning around and getting smashed. Now, were you hurt there?
No, I didn't even get bruises.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
That's remarkable. It looked like you were going 90 miles an hour.
Oh, we were really moving.
Wow.
When you have a husband?
No.
When you never got married?
Oh, yes.
Oh, your husband passed away?
Yes.
So you're looking for somebody tonight? But I mean, what would he say if he saw you drive like that? Wouldn't he be upset?
No, I don't think so.
You don't think so? Was he a risk taker? Was he a dangerous kind of guy?
He was a motorcycle racer.
Oh, there you go. That's where you get it, yeah.
Something rubbed off.
Now, do you have a sponsor?
I don't have any sponsor. I'm sure looking for some sponsors for those race cars.
Well, then somebody ought to sponsor you.
Are you kidding? Pillsbury's going to do it.
Oh, yeah, sure.
Kiss me.
Or buffering.
Yeah, or buffering.
So how long can you keep doing this, do you think?
Well, as long as my eyesight is good and my coordination is great, And I can still throw a leg through the window.
See, I would love to see you go down to the DMV and have them try to refuse you a license. Oh, good for you. I just love to see this. Don't you got a present for him?
Yes,
I have a little
I'd
gift.
love to give you a team shirt.
Thank you, Dom. But you know what? Honestly, I like the pink one. Let's trade.
Okay,
No, I'm joking.
later.
Thank you, Granny, for being with us.
Okay.
What a pleasure to meet you.
Oh, that's nice to meet you. You're great.